I want to talk about taxation again, but I want to talk about it not as someone who is a wife and a mother, but I want to talk about it from the perspective of a business owner. I'm involved in my family's business. We're incorporated in 1971. So between that time and now, we've certainly seen financial ups and downs, but we have to be in a position as business owners to be able to grow our business, and that would include lowering of corporate tax. And we're going to see a lot of people out there going, oh, corporations should pay more tax. Understand that corporations are not all these giant conglomerates with friends in high places. Small family businesses like mine represent most of corporations. So when a business like mine has to pay a lot of corporate tax, understand that every dollar I pay in corporate tax through my company is a dollar that I am not using to hand out bonuses, is a dollar I'm not using to reinvest in my company by buying new equipment. So, well, too bad for the equipment seller. Or I'm not going to open a new branch because I have to be conservative with my money. And so, well, too bad for the people I would have hired in the new branch. Currently, my company employs dozens of people. Now I'm thinking, since our inception, if we hadn't had to pay all this money for taxes, we would be employing hundreds of people, not dozens. Hundreds of people would have good jobs and they'd be able to feed their families like dozens of people do now. And that was only because of my family's hard work. It's not any sort of government grant. Certainly didn't get anything from our government for having any sort of initiative. It was just good decision making and trudging on through the toughest times. So the PPC wants to reduce the corporate tax rate. I think that's very important. We're not exporting enough because our tax rates are keeping our prices high, not just for Canadians, but for exports. We need to be on a level playing field with other people in the world.